We are still busy with the topic of common fractions, more specifically multiplication of common fractions, and we are going to focus on some word problems in this video lesson. So, exercise 13.4, number 1. Jill has 10 ribbons, each of a length of 23 3/4 of a centimeter. If Jill lays the ribbons down end to end, how many centimeters long will the line of ribbons be? So we have 10 ribbons, one ribbon is 23 3/4 of a centimeter. We lay another one next to it of the same length and another one the same length. So each one is 23 3/4 of a centimeter, and we do it until we have 10 of them next to each other. So in other words, we want to measure the length of all 10 of these combined. So we actually simply have 10 times 23 3/4 of a centimeter. So we have 23 3/4 of a centimeter times 10. Okay, now we have a mixed fraction. So first thing, usually what we do when we see a mixed fraction is first change it to an improper fraction. How do we do it? We take the whole number, multiply it by the bottom number or the denominator, and then we add the top number or the numerator, and we keep the denominator at the bottom, and we have to multiply all of that, let's put it in brackets, by 10. So 23 times 4, well, let's see, 20 times 4 is 80, 3 times 4 is 12, 80 plus 12, so it's 92, plus we have to add another 3, so it's 95 over 4, okay, this was centimeter, eh? 95 over 4, we still have to multiply by 10, and we have to deal with centimeters. Okay, so 10 is the same as 10 over 1. Now we can either multiply tops and multiply bottoms, or we can first look if there's factors that we can cancel. So we know 2 can go into 4, 2 can go into 10. So 2 goes 2 times into 4. How many times does 2 go into 10? Yes, 5 times. So now we have 95 times 5 divided by 2. So let's see what's 95 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 2 is 47. So we have 475 centimeter divided by 2. So let's see, 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into 7 3 times, 2 times 3 is 6, we still have a remainder of 1, 2 goes into 15, 7 times 2 is 14, we have a remainder of 1, so it's 237.5 centimeter. Okay, so number 2 of exercise 13.4. Every day at the aquarium, the dolphins get 2 1/4 buckets of fish. The penguins get half of this. How many buckets do the penguins get per day? I'm giving you a bit of time to attempt this word problem on your own. So we know that dolphins get 2 1/4 buckets of fish. The penguins get half of it. So what's half of 2 1/4? Well, the key word is off. So off means multiply. So we need to multiply the 2 1/4 by a half. And then we will know how many buckets the penguins get per day. Now we have a mixed fraction. So when we observe a mixed fraction, first thing that goes through our mind is change to improper. How do we do it? Take the whole number, multiply by the bottom number or the denominator, add the top number or the numerator. What do we keep at the bottom? The denominator or the bottom one. And all of that we have to multiply by a half. Remember, brackets means multiply. So let's see. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1. So we have 9 at the top, still 4 at the bottom. We are still multiplying by a half. So we can multiply tops, we can multiply bottoms. I don't see anything that can go into and in 9 or that can go into 4 and into 9 without remainder. So we can't cancel. So multiply tops, 9 times 1 is 9. Multiply bottoms, 4 times 2 is 8. Are we done? Is it in simplest form? No. It is an improper fraction, so we can change it to a mixed fraction. How do we do that again? We see how many times 8 can go into 9. It's 1. We find the remainder. Well, the difference between 9 and 8 is 1. We write the remainder at the top. And at the bottom, we still have the 8. So we keep always the denominator at the bottom. So we have 1 1/8 buckets.